Well, some librarians in Portland, Oregon say they are having to worry less about late fees and a lot more about their own safety.
Yeah, I mean, in some instances, they say that they're the first to respond to emergencies like drug overdosers and even stalkers. NBC News correspondent Valerie Castro joins us now. Valerie, tell us a little bit more.
Right, guys. So in some cases, these librarians say they feel like they're doing double duty, right? They're helping people check out books, look for reference materials. They say at the same time they find themselves in some of these dangerous situations with very little support.
The aisles of the Northwest Library in Portland, Oregon are quiet today. In the lobby, a man fixes a cup of ramen soup, sheltering from the harsh winter temperatures outside. But not every day is this peaceful.
The incidents are on the rise.
A Multnomah County audit revealing library workers don't feel safe dealing with violence involving weapons, public nudity, sexual harassment, drug use, and overdoses.
I wasn't surprised. It is something that the library has been facing for several years now, especially after pandemic.
Manuel Arellano is a library assistant and union steward. He says in the last 2 years, some of his colleagues have been attacked and left traumatized.
Someone stalking a female coworker and waiting for her outside.
The audit finding only 1 in 4 workers who interact with the public reported feeling safe at work. One location reporting more than 1,000 incidents in 2022 alone.
According to the audit, there was a situation where someone managed to go unnoticed by security at closing time, and that person actually spent the night inside the library with several large knives. The safety issue is not something that Portland faces alone.
Librarians in Oakland, California revealing similar concerns after a 2022 audit there. Workers feeling, quote, more unsafe than ever. Back in Portland, the union representing employees, led by President Jackie Tate, is calling for action.
When you have a continuation of, people not feeling that they're being communicated with, feeling that they're being included in decision making, I think that's what really leads to that lack of trust and that lack of feeling safe.
Tate says they want a system that reports incidents across branches and a way for workers to take time off after dealing with a traumatic situation.
When those things happen, that they want to be supported.
The auditor recommending several changes like addressing staffing numbers, equity, and security concerns. The county chairperson telling NBC News in a statement they plan to implement the recommendations while working to effectively address challenging conditions.
I could see a lot of mental health issues, a lot of homeless issues, people expecting to stay at the library longer than our hours of operation. I can see drug use.
Oregon's opioid overdose deaths are projected to reach an all-time high for 2023, while the governor has issued a homelessness emergency. Librarians hoping the county can turn a page on safety while preventing new issues from stacking up in the future.
The library is, the living room of our communities, right? It's one of the last places that people can go that are free and that are welcoming to them.
And Valerie joins us now. This is a fascinating look at people whose voices aren't often heard, these librarians, right? And presumably they don't have this kind of training to deal with things like mental health crises, stalkers. What kind of support are they asking for?
So the first thing you would think would be security guards, right? A lot of libraries already have security guards, and the union president says they're hesitant to put more because they don't want the library to feel like an unwelcoming space. They want it to be a place for the community. They are in an agreement with the county. They are going to offer more training for these librarians, in-depth security training that they can opt into if they want. And then the county also plans to add some more security cameras, remove the spaces in libraries that are sort of hidden away, just some of the things that they're working on.
Which, of course, just re-inspires the question, should the burden even fall on them in the first place?
Truly.
Yeah, really interesting report. Valerie Castro for us. Valerie, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.